Our van is really messy right now because we're packing for our trip back to New York. We gotta clean up all this stuff on this table that we washed from yesterday. Hi Spence, you playing with your train set here? No. What is this? Egg! Can Dada have the egg? Thank you, Spaz. You want to help, Spaz? Okay. Yeah, go. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, are there bubbles there? Yeah, good job.
You're not cool. Wearing the
Yeah, you did a good job with.
Cookie Buster. E for dessert. E for.
I'm mashing some bananas and making a banana egg for Spencer.
Oh. Insect. J.
Chocolate. And I'm going to heat up the leftover steak from yesterday.
Oh, that's.
Hey, that's the horse. Yes, I see the horse. Okay, here, let's wear a bit. We're having some banana egg pancakes, Spence.
That's the number one rule. Em mới sáng giờ trời cảm giác trời cũng kêu.
Empty. Those are the. Today is day 1480 of us living the van life lifestyle. We are a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we are currently in Phoenix, Arizona. This is a day in our lives. Hey! We're spending today packing and running some errands. Maybe we'll do some laundry. Because tomorrow we are going to flying back to New York to visit family for the holidays. Thanks for helping out, Spence, for vacuuming. I'm someone who likes to come back from a trip to a really clean house. So today we're gonna wash all the clothes that we have, as well as the bed sheets and all that stuff, so that when we come back, it's gonna be really comfortable. While Spencer is here helping us vacuum the floors, I'm just doing a little packing, and we're gonna be just spending the day doing what I mentioned, just cleaning up and all that stuff, and packing. And in a little while, I'm gonna be driving our van over to an RV storage where we'll be parking the van for the next couple of weeks or so. And we're gonna actually be staying at a hotel for tonight, and tomorrow morning we're gonna be taking a shuttle to the airport to take our flight. We're gonna go find the laundromat and do some laundry first. Let me show you guys where we camped last night. If you guys watch our video from yesterday, you will know that we went to a house in a neighborhood in Scottsdale that had really over-the-top Christmas decoration. We parked here last night to walk over to that house, and we actually stayed here. It was a busier street here. There were a lot of cars that were filled when we were here, when we left that house and came back. But since then, all the cars already left. But no one bothered us. It was okay. It was actually pretty quiet too. It wasn't too bad. So here's where we were. Here's the house that we came to see yesterday. There's actually a playground nearby, so I'm gonna drop off Rena and Spencer here. They're gonna play at the playground. Yes. And I'm gonna do laundry around the corner here. Let's put shoes on. We'll play for a little bit. Alright, you guys play for a little bit, okay? I'll be back. Okay. Thank you. Hey, Spencer. Yeah. There you go. There you go. I see you here. Where's Spencer?
Dada. Dada. Dada.
It's a nice day here at the playground. When we're back in New York, we're probably not going to be playing outside too much in another playground for a while. It's too cold out. So enjoy it while you can, Spence. Wow! Alright, we're leaving the playground now. We are heading back to the laundry place to try some clothes. Wait a little bit longer, and then we're gonna head over to the hotel. While the clothes are being dried, Rena's gonna go pick up some bubble tea. You got it from where? What's this place called?
The alley.
The Alley bubble tea. What is this?
This is ube taro, brown sugar, tapioca.
What's tapioca?
It's supposed to be tapioca, but then they put
Tapioca? Okay.
tapioca milk.
Okay. I try. It's good? Yeah.
Very ube.
Mm. Nice.
Stimulation, and so everything.
We just got done with laundry. We're gonna make our way over to the hotel now. We're kind of tight on time right now. It's already 4:30. I gotta drop this van off to the RV storage place by 5, so gotta get moving quickly. All right, here we are. This is where we're gonna be staying for tonight. Country Inn and Suites. I'm gonna get us checked in. Spencer is still napping. We're gonna have to wake him up a little bit early than we needed to because I gotta get driving over to the RV storage, and we still haven't done our dishes in the sink. So we're just gonna do the dishes now while I do the check-in. Hello. Hi, I'm just checking in. Yep. All right. I think we got everything.
You got the gate check or no?
No, it's in the front. I think we gotta find that one too. We got so much stuff. My goodness. Yeah, hold on to your dinosaur snacks. Let's find the gate check bag. I think it's this one, right? Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah. All right, just got that.
Remember, we used to be like so simple. Just one backpack and then we go.
Yeah,
and
now
then
it's
now
like this
it's
much.
like
All right.
we gotta have a carry-on. We gotta have a diaper bag. We gotta have
Car seat.
car seat. We have jacket.
Okay, let me push you. You can hold them. Hey, okay.
pants.
Hey, poke it out, ma. All right, I'll poke it. Then come. Let me hold your stuff then.
No, easy.
I help you. I got you.
You got me nothing.
I got you.
You got me nothing.
I'll push. Okay, I'll push. Yeah, I got you.
You got nothing.
Aww. Push. Huh?
What's the room number?
All right, let's go. Yeah. Hi. Alright, let's go. Spence, I can smell your poop. Yeah? Your poop. Can you push, Spence? Can you push?
Mama.
Alrighty. There's our room. Okay, let's get everything in. Alright, they're settled in. I'm going to drop off the van now at the RV storage. It's about like 10 minutes away. If we didn't do laundry today, then I guess it wouldn't have been so hectic. But I did want to come back to a cleaner van. So yeah, we're kind of just really running around. I mean, I had to push this appointment back. I have to meet the guy there, the RV storage place where I'm going to. There's a guy that's gonna, I think, open the gate for me and let me park there. It's $150 a month. So I have to push it back to 5:30 and he's gonna be waiting, so cutting it close. Don't want him to be waiting. And since we don't have a car after I drop it off, we'll probably have to order some food or something. We don't know if there's anything nearby. Get like Uber Eats, probably. All right, here we are. All right, just dropped off the van and now I'm back at the hotel. We gotta order some food. Just took a shower, finally get to relax a little bit after a pretty busy afternoon. We just ordered some food from El Pollo Loco, some chicken via Uber Eats. It's gonna get delivered here maybe in like half an hour and I'll go pick it up downstairs when it gets here. Yeah, there's no YouTube here, Spence.
There's nothing else.
Sorry, bud.
CSI.
Mama's gonna watch her stuff. You wanna watch Mama's stuff? You gonna lay here like this with Dada? Is that right? Let's go pick up some food. The food delivery guy is here. Okay, I think the food is here. Alright, here's our dinner, Spence. Let's eat over here, okay?
Sorry. Are you gonna go?
Yeah, we got some chicken and some tortilla. Oh, there's a lot of corn. You want some corn, Spence? Some rice? And some salsa. See some food. I guess we're just using our hands. Oh, the chicken looks pretty good. You smell it? Yeah? Do you?
Yeah.
Spoon. Yes.
Hôm nay kêu nó sẽ còn
Down. You wanna try? Okay, hold on to it.
It's only 2 spoon I have.
Okay. Mm. Oh, just mild.
Cảm nhận kìa. Sẽ thấy thải.
Alright, we just got done with dinner and we're gonna be relaxing in the room for the rest of the night. Obviously, we don't have a car or anything like that to go anywhere anyway. So I'm gonna end the video here. Tomorrow we're gonna be taking a plane over to New York, and we don't know how Spencer's gonna do on the flight. He hasn't taken a flight since when he was 1 year old, which was a year ago, almost exactly. And I guess we'll see how he does. I'm not really sure. We are pretty prepared, I think. We got his music box, he got his headphones, some toys for him, and we got his car seat. So if there's an open seat, then we'll be able to use the car seat in the middle. When we book our planes, we usually book the window seat and then the aisle seat, and hopefully nobody takes the middle seat. So far, so good. No one seems to have claimed that seat yet, but we'll see tomorrow. And we'll be leaving the hotel tomorrow in the morning. There's a free shuttle that takes us to the airport, and we'll be in New York by the evening of tomorrow. If you guys want to follow our journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, even though we didn't really do much today. That will spread this video to more people. All right, I appreciate you guys, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.